Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project I have taken a printed cotton fabric and I will show you how to cut and stitch a trouser for a baby. And also I have taken a contrast fabric to give a piping. Folded the fabric widthwise. These are 2 layers. Once again I am folding it widthwise. From this point mark 6.5 inches. From here mark 1 inch. From this point to here mark 7 inch. Now I am joining these points. From here mark 1 inch. After marking 1 inch I am drawing a curve in the crotch area. From this point mark 7 inch. Then I am joining these points. Now I am going to cut it. I am taking only the front portion of the trouser. Mark 1 inch more for the back portion from the front portion. I have finished marking. Now I am going to cut it. Now I will separate the front portion and the back portion. I have taken a contrast white fabric to give belt for the trouser. Using the same fabric I will give piping at the bottom. Now I am separating the front portion and the back portion. Then I will give a stitch at the crotch area for both front and back. Now I am stitching the crotch area. Always make sure to give double stitch at this area. Similarly, I will finish for the back portion. I have finished attaching the crotch area for both front and back. Now I will attach the belt for both front and the back portion. I am giving a top stitch. Similarly, I will finish attaching the belt for the back portion. Now I am stitching the sides for the front and the back portion. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. For a professional finish, I am giving a stitch like this. Now I am attaching the piping at the bottom. I have finished attaching the piping at both the legs. Now I will finish the belt part by folding it twice like this. Before give a stitch, make sure that is 1 inch because I am going to insert 1 inch elastic. I am leaving half-inch gap for inserting elastic. I have taken a 2 pieces of fabric. Length is 4 inches and width is 4 inches. Now I am folding the fabric twice. Mark 1 inch from this point and join these 2 points. Now I will cut it. I am separating the pieces now. I am going to give a stitch over here. Really, I will finish the other side and I am turning the fabric into the right side. Now I will give a top stitch. Now I will attach the straps at the side of the trousers. Place the strap at the wrong side of the fabric and give a stitch like this. Now I am turning the straps at the right side of the fabric and going to give a stitch. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. Now I am attaching the center for both the legs. I am inserting an elastic now. I have finished attaching the elastic. This is how it looks. With this, my stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.